Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. With every new OS comes a host of new features to get our teeth into, and today we're going to take a quick look at some of the features added to the Messages app that may go unnoticed, as well as another feature that was released in a previous OS that when I showed it to my family and friends last week thinking they already knew about it, turned out it was a real game changer for them. So we're going to take a look at that as well. I've just put iOS 16 on this demo phone and I'm going to open up the Messages app to look at some of these new features. So first we're going to take a look at unsending a message. Now we all have those instances from time to time where we send a message and think to ourselves, kind of wish that one hadn't gone, I'm in trouble. And there are of course other reasons for needing to unsend a message as well. And with iOS 16 you can unsend a message up to 2 minutes after it's been sent. Also, the recipient does need to be running iOS 16 or macOS Ventura. Now I'm going to tap to send a new message here. And I'm on my demo account at the moment. His name is Barry, so I'm going to send a message to my own personal phone. I'll just quickly type out some text. Your music sucks. And then tap send. Now, as anyone who has seen my music app videos here will know, of course, Barry is wrong and my music taste does not suck. It's actually amazing. So he needs to unsend this because it's factually inaccurate. So I'm going to long press on the message. And there are a couple of new options we have here. We have undo send and edit. And we're going to cover editing straight after this. But for now, I'm going to click undo send. And we can see it's not there anymore. And we will indeed see how this looks on the recipient's phone when we switch across to that later in the video. And the text here clearly states that the message will still appear on the recipient's device if they haven't upgraded.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.